A recent KashKick app update can temporarily break sign-ins, task tracking, offer walls, or page loading even when your account is completely fine. In many cases, the problem is caused by cached app data, an incomplete update, or a temporary issue on KashKick servers rather than anything wrong with your account. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest steps to figure out whether the problem is on your device or KashKick's side, and what to do to get the app working again. Start by completely closing the KashKick app instead of just minimizing it. Open your phone's recent apps screen, swipe KashKick away, then launch it again. If the update didn't load correctly the first time, a fresh restart can solve minor glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. If one network blocks or delays requests after an update, changing connections can confirm whether the issue is network-related. Now, check for another update. Developers sometimes release a quick follow-up patch after discovering bugs in a new version. Open Google Play or the App Store, search for KashKick, and install any newer update that's available. If you're using Android, open Settings, Apps, KashKick, then Storage, and clear the app cache. If the app is still acting up, you can clear app storage, but remember you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. If you're using an iPhone, there's no separate cache button. The easiest option is to uninstall KashKick, restart your iPhone, and reinstall the latest version from the App Store before signing in again. If offers aren't tracking after the update, avoid uninstalling and reinstalling offer apps that are already in progress. Many reward platforms require the original install to remain intact for tracking to continue. Another good step is checking whether other users are reporting the same problem. If many people started having issues immediately after the latest update, the fix may require a server-side patch, and waiting for KashKick to resolve it is often the only solution. If nothing works, contact KashKick support. Include your device model, operating system version, app version, screenshots of the error, and a description of when the problem started. Those details help support identify update-related bugs much faster. To recap, restart the app, switch networks, install any newer update, clear cached data, or reinstall the app, and contact support if the issue continues after trying those steps. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more quick app fixes, and check out our other troubleshooting guides.